Welcome everybody to Barcelona. This vibrant coastal city in Spain is a feast for the senses. From the moment you arrive, you'll be swept away by its energy, its beauty, and its unique blend of history and modernity. Get ready to explore whimsical architecture, lively promenades, bustling markets, and soak up the Mediterranean vibes. So, grab your walking shoes, pack your sense of adventure, and let's discover the heart and soul of this Catalan treasure together. Our first stop takes us to Barcelona's most iconic landmark, the Sagrada Familia. This basilica, a masterpiece of Antoni Gaudí, is a sight that stops you dead in your tracks. Construction began in 1882, and it's still ongoing today. Gaudí dedicated over 40 years to this project, and his intricate designs inspired by nature are breathtaking. Look closely, and you'll see that every facade, every tower, every detail tells a story from the Bible. The soaring columns, bathed in colourful light, filtering through the stained glass windows, create an atmosphere that is both grand and serene. Even unfinished, the Sagrada Familia is a testament to Gaudí's genius and the enduring spirit of Barcelona. Before we move on, take a moment to gaze up at the Nativity facade with its intricate sculptures depicting the birth of Jesus. Next up, we're off to a place that feels like it's straight out of a fairy tale, Park Güell. This whimsical park, another of Gaudí's creations, is a feast for the eyes with its colourful mosaics, playful structures and stunning views of the city. As you enter the park, you'll be greeted by the iconic dragon fountain adorned with vibrant trencades, a type of mosaic made from broken ceramic pieces. Stroll along the serpentine benches that wind their way through the park, offering panoramic vistas of Barcelona. Each twist and turn reveals a new perspective, a new photo opportunity, and a new reason to marvel at Gaudí's creativity. Park Güell is a place to let your imagination run wild and to simply relax and enjoy the beauty of your surroundings. Now let's dive into the heart of Barcelona's bustling city life with a stroll down La Rambla. This iconic tree-lined promenade is a sensory overload in the best possible way. As you wander down this pedestrian-friendly street, you'll be surrounded by a vibrant tapestry of life. Street performers captivate passers-by, while flower stalls burst with colourful blooms, their scents mingling with the aromas of fresh churros. Take your time browsing the souvenir shops or duck into one of the many cafes lining the boulevard for a café con leche. La Rambla is a place to see and be seen, a place to soak up the energy of Barcelona, and a place where you're guaranteed to make unforgettable memories. Chapter 4. Casa Batll, a symphony in stone and colour. Get ready to be wowed as we step into a world of pure imagination at Casa Batll, another of Gaudí's architectural masterpieces. This whimsical building, with its undulating facade and colourful mosaics, is like a dream come to life. Gaudí was inspired by the natural world, and you'll see this reflected throughout his work. Step inside, and you'll enter a world of stained glass, intricate tilework, and whimsical details. Don't miss the magical rooftop terrace with its colourful chimneys and stunning views of the city. Casa Batll is a testament to the power of imagination and a reminder that even in the heart of a bustling city, beauty can be found in the most unexpected places. Chapter 5. Gothic Quarter, Barri Gothic, Journey Back in Time. We're stepping back in time now as we venture into the heart of Barcelona's Gothic Quarter, also known as Barri Gothic. This atmospheric neighbourhood, with its narrow cobblestone streets, medieval architecture and hidden plazas, is like a journey back to the Middle Ages. As you wander through the labyrinthine alleyways, imagine the footsteps of Roman settlers and medieval merchants echoing through the centuries. Be sure to visit the Barcelona Cathedral, a stunning example of Catalan Gothic architecture. Its soaring arches, intricate stained glass windows, and peaceful cloister offer a moment of tranquility amidst the bustling city. As you explore the Gothic Quarter, keep your eyes peeled for hidden courtyards, charming boutiques, and traditional tapas bars. Chapter 6. Labaria Market, a feast for the senses. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds as we dive into the sights, sounds and smells of Labaria Market. This bustling market, located just off La Rambla, is a feast for the senses and a must-visit for any foodie. Stalls overflow with fresh produce, glistening seafood, cured meats, olives of every variety and colourful spices. Take your time wandering through the aisles, soaking up the lively atmosphere and sampling local delicacies. Labaria is a place where locals come to shop for fresh ingredients and where visitors can experience the true heart of Barcelona's culinary scene. It's a place to indulge your senses, discover new flavours and connect with the local culture. Chapter 7. Camp Nou, the Cathedral of Football. For fans of the beautiful game, a visit to Camp Nou, the home stadium of FC Barcelona, is an absolute must. Even if you're not a die-hard football enthusiast, you can't help but be impressed by the sheer scale and grandeur of this iconic stadium. With a capacity of over 99,000 spectators, Camp Nou is the largest stadium in Europe and a testament to the city's passion for football. Take a tour of the grounds and go behind the scenes of this legendary club. Walk through the players' tunnel, visit the dressing rooms and imagine the roar of the crowd as you step onto the pitch. Whether you're a lifelong fan or simply curious about the sport that captures the hearts of millions, a visit to Camp Nou is an experience you won't soon forget. Prepare to be captivated by breathtaking views as we ascend Monic Hill, a hill overlooking the city that offers a different perspective on Barcelona's beauty. One of the best ways to reach the summit is by taking the Monic cable car. As you ascend, enjoy panoramic vistas of the city, the harbour and the sparkling Mediterranean Sea. At the top, you'll find a wealth of attractions to explore. Don't miss the Monic Castle, a 17th century fortress that offers stunning views and a glimpse into the city's history. Be sure to catch the Magic Fountain Show, a dazzling display of water, light and music that takes place in the evenings. Monic Hill is a place to escape the hustle and bustle of the city centre, to enjoy breathtaking views and to immerse yourself in culture and history. Our next stop takes us to another of Gaudi's architectural marvels, Casa Batll, affectionately known as La Pedrera, which means the quarry in Catalan. This striking building, with its undulating stone facade and whimsical rooftop chimneys, looks like it was carved directly from the earth. Gaudi's inspiration from nature is on full display here. The facade, with its balconies resembling seaweed and its undulating walls mimicking the curves of a cave, seems to flow and breathe. Step inside and you'll be greeted by a light-filled courtyard designed to resemble a giant mushroom. Don't miss the rooftop terrace, a surreal landscape of sculpted chimneys, ventilation shafts and stairwells that resemble knights in armour. Casa Batll is a testament to Gaudi's boundless imagination and his ability to transform everyday materials into works of art. Finally, no trip to Barcelona would be complete without a visit to its beautiful beaches. Barcelona is a city that truly has it all, and its beaches are the perfect place to relax, soak up the sun and enjoy the Mediterranean lifestyle. Stroll along the Barceloneta boardwalk, lined with palm trees, seafood restaurants and lively chiringuitos or beach bars. Rent a sun lounger and simply relax, listening to the sound of the waves and feeling the warm sand between your toes. Take a dip in the refreshing waters of the Mediterranean, try your hand at stand-up paddleboarding, or simply enjoy the lively atmosphere. As the sun begins to set, grab a drink at one of the chiringuitos and watch as the sky erupts in a kaleidoscope of colours. Well, friends, we've reached the end of our Barcelona adventure. From the whimsical architecture of Gaudi to the bustling markets and the sun-drenched beaches, this city has a way of capturing your heart and leaving you wanting more. I hope you've enjoyed exploring the magic of Barcelona with me. Until next time, happy travels.